first grade. Professor Olson here. I was just looking at something interesting I found. Anybody have an idea what these are? There's an N and an S on there. Oh, what's that? Oh, they're magnets? Oh, okay. Well, we are going to go ahead and learn about magnets today then. All right, that'll be fun. All right, I'd like you to have your book out on page 146. We're almost finished with our books. We're talking about magnetic force because we were talking about forces. There's a mechanical force, and then gravity was a kind of force that pulls things toward the earth. Today we're going to talk about magnetic force. Magnets also have a force. Magnets pull metal things that are made of iron. This force is called magnetic force. You sometimes use magnets. Maybe you play some games that use magnets. Some magnets hold things up. And magnets may also be used to hold things together. So a lot of you, I'm sure, have these refrigerator magnets. It's fun to spell your spelling words with those, in fact. And sometimes we just use magnets, yes, to hold something on the refrigerator at doctor's appointments or something. Next page, 147. A magnet has two different ends, or poles, just like the Earth. One pole is called the North Pole. The other pole is called the South Pole. That's what the N is for north, and the S is for south. That's right. The south pole of one magnet pulls the north pole of another magnet. But the south pole pushes away the south pole of another magnet. All right? So what is magnetic force again? Right, that's when the magnets are pushing or pulling each other as well. So I will go ahead and show you in another clip of when the north and south connect each other, like that. But I will show you, like say in another clip, when if I put the two S's together, they actually do not want to stick at all. So I'll show you how that works. But first of all, on your paper here, on page 113, we are going to use these words: iron, magnetic, poles, pull, push, and south. I've already helped you out here. The force of a magnet is called magnetic force. Magnets pull metal or things made of iron. And a magnet has two different ends or poles. Again, you can see, like in this one, I'll show you closer. There's an N and the S for the north and south poles. So the poles of a magnet are called, I just said it, North Pole and the South Pole. Number 5, two of the same kind of pole will push away from each other, and the north pole of a magnet will pull the south end or pole of another magnet. All right, so we'll show you how those work in another clip. All right, first grade, as we were saying in our book and on our worksheet, that every magnet has a north and a south pole. And I'm going to show you what it works like if we try to put the S's together. You can tell that they repel. It means that they won't stick together at all. See how that S does not want to be near the S. And how about if we do that with the N's? How about if the N's will stick together? Same thing, the N does not want to be touching another N. Isn't that amazing how God made those? So, you know what's going to happen. Let's put the opposites together. Let's put a north with a south, and what do you think is going to happen? Are they going to push each other away? Let's find out. Oh, I can pick it right up, and they're going to stay like that. All right, pretty interesting. All right, then over here, we have a great big magnet to play with, and we'll see what kind of things magnets pick up. I think it'll pick up a stick. No, because that's not made out of metal or iron. All right, how about this magnet? Oh, yeah, that's another strong one. All right, so those guys are going to stick together. All right, then how about the paper? Now, I know it's a Seahawks paper. Who wouldn't want to stick to that? So for June 1st here on Monday, is it going to stick? No, because that's not made out of metal or iron. All right, and how about some paper clips? Okay, let's see if we can pick those up. Oh yeah, that's cool. All right, cool. All right, so we know that things that are made out of iron will stick to the magnet. All right, and again, just reviewing that the opposite ends of a magnet don't want to stick together. All right, but we're friends. And we like to stick together, don't we? All right. See you later.